Alright guys, let's try this again with no hiccups. So Grail Punt number 42 for myself, and it's for first place of Thanos number 13, CGC 9.6, first appearance of Cosmic Ghost Rider, and second place for Cosmic Ghost Rider number 1, third print, CBCS 9.0, signed by Donny Cates. So let's get the list, starting with Tim Weiss, number 1. To Jerome, number 70. There. And by the way, it's Perth time, 8:40 on the 27th of February. Random dice roll, 3 dice roll. That is 10. Alright, let's get this rolling. So we've got number 70, Jerome, and number 1, Tim. All numbers are in there, accounted for. Let's get it started. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Let's go double check. That's 9 times. Check random. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 8:42 again. Alright, good luck everyone. Remember, first and second prize are about to go off. First place is Jerome, and second place is Donald with pick 67 and Jerome with 60. Congrats guys. Nice to have 2 winners. There we go. 10 times. 10 times, 3 dice roll. And we are done.